Welcome to this detailed guide on creating AI-powered videos using Pictory, an innovative video creation platform. Accessing Pictory. Begin by visiting Pictory.ai. If you're new, sign up using your email or social media accounts. Existing users can simply log in. Selecting a video template. Explore the diverse range of video templates available to suit your project needs. Choose one that aligns with your vision. Script upload and analysis. Upload your script or type it directly into the platform. Pictory.ai will analyze your text and suggest relevant visuals to enhance your content. Customizing your video. Customize your video using the drag-and-drop editor. Modify scenes, adjust text and sequence as needed. Incorporate images, video clips, and music from Pictory's library, or upload your own. Adding voiceover and timing adjustments. Select from automated voiceover options or record your own narration. Ensure the timing of visuals and audio aligns seamlessly with your script. Previewing and editing. Preview your video to evaluate its flow. If adjustments are necessary, return to editing to refine scenes, text, or audio. Exporting and sharing. Once satisfied, export your video in the desired resolution and format. Download it to your device or share directly to social media platforms or via share link. Thank you for utilizing Pictory. We anticipate the exceptional videos you will create. For further assistance, visit our website.